It was at a putty painter's day, and we were having a break, and Richard brought out these brushes, and he's like, listen up, everybody. I want everybody to look at these brushes. They're called Rosemary brushes. He said they are the best brushes that you will ever try. So really, it was thanks to Richard Schmid, really, that all of our group tried them. And of course, we never turned back. I threw all my other brushes away. Only Rosemary brushes. The oil painting assortment set that I saw at one of the big conventions, I think it was Pace, I was so impressed with that set because I believe they have one of every brush. When somebody asks me, what brush should I buy, I always say the sampler, my brush bundle, or whoever's brush bundle, it's the best way to try out what you like. Then you go out and you buy it in 4 or 5 other sizes. If this brush doesn't work, try to observe why it's not working and then pick up another brush. So for me, I work on a very slick surface, so I like to put my first wash on with one of the I have a big ivory in my brush bundle. That's one of my favorite brushes to put the nice big washes on. And then I might take one of the Master's Choice, the long ones, because they're nice and soft. I can run over it, and it just looks like grass just to pull this together. The second you pick up a brush and you realize, oh, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful edge, and I can't make an edge at all, or I'm trying to make a point so that I can make a fine line or something, and I can't make a point. That's the point when I walk to the student, put their brushes down, walk over and get my brushes, and I usually walk around with a few of my brushes in my pocket because I can't bear it. There's no comparison. You can't do what you do without a good tool. I taught a normal size workshop here 2 years ago, and Rosemary's gardens are so beautiful. I came back this year and decided to teach a very small private workshop with only 4 students. Everybody's having such an amazing time. They cannot believe how beautiful it is here, how peaceful it is here. And I look at everybody just walking around, looking at the flowers, coming down this beautiful path and seeing the roses and the sweet peas and everything. It's heaven here. It's just absolutely heaven. So next summer, I am so excited. My very good friend Daniel Keyes and I are going to be doing a side-by-side workshop. He's probably going to be inside, and I'm probably going to be outside. We will overlap many times. We'll be doing an evening demo together. We're going to go out to a couple of locations around Yorkshire, and it's just going to be so fabulous, I think, because Daniel and I love the same subjects, but I think we teach a little bit differently, and it'll be a good feel you'll be able to see what's going on in each workshop, so it's going to be great.